Okay, my friend, with this video, I want to show you my trick how to make 100, even more $100 with Maxbounty using free traffic. Okay, so with this video, I want to show you step by step how to choose your product and how to promote your product for free. Now, very important is to take action using this method uh, because the results it's not immediately, okay? It will take time, maybe 1 week and maybe 2 weeks to get results. And the reason it's up to your YouTube channel. Yes, your YouTube. Don't worry about the videos. I will show you exactly how to get free videos that you can upload to your channel and how to promote your link using these videos. Like I said, results it's up to your channel, it's up to your work, it's up to how long your channel is online. Uh, Even if you make a new channel, you can get nice results from this method. So very important to take action if you really want to make money with a max bounty. For this method, you can use only a make money niche, okay, or work from home niche, or work online niche, okay. Okay, so let's start. First, let's go here. You have here search campaign. And type in the top in the search cash, okay, cash. You will get some results, some product here. So let's go to search option and let's go here all categories, all countries, go to United States and click search one more time. Okay, now look, we have here the third product. You can see here global test market, US. You will get $4 for every lead, okay. For every lead you will get $4. Okay, so let's click this product and go to the end of the page. You can see here select creative type. Okay, so let's click here and go to a text link. And click this. You can get your link a different way, okay. You can go here solo emails, HTML, and you can click here get tracking code. Now your code, Okay, it's not it's difficult. So let's say back to a text link. Okay, and here you can see get tracking code. Okay, now look, your code, you can see it here. Okay, you can see a href, and you have to get this link. Okay, you can see this is your link. Okay, now you have to get this link, take it and save it because we will use it. Okay, let's make a copy and close this window. Okay, remember, you can see this is the code. Let's make it easy. Okay, this is your link. Okay, very important. Okay, okay, copy and close. Now, step number 2 is you have to make a YouTube channel. Like you see here, I have a different channels. You have to make a YouTube channel, and you have to upload videos. Okay, so how to get videos, my friend? You can go to this link, youtube.makingmoneyacademy.net. Okay, YouTube, you can see the link, YouTube Making Money Academy.net. All you have to do is you have some packages here. Okay, and you can click this package and download to your computer. When you open this package, you will find 3 to 5 videos, and all you have to do is take these videos and upload to your channel. Okay, now look, every day you have to upload 2 to 5 videos. Don't upload all these videos in the same day. Okay, you have to upload you know what, one package every single day. Every package you have there 3 to 5 videos, and you can use it for free. Now when you upload your video, you have to put your affiliate link. Let's go to my channel. This is my channel. Okay, you have to put your link below every let's go to another video. Okay, like this. You have to put your product. You can put 3 products from Maxbounty, like this, on the description. Okay, on the top of the description, like this. You can see my links is on the top. Then I have some text and keywords here. Okay, so very important to first choose your product. maybe 3 products, 3 links you can choose from Maxbounty, and then upload videos to your channel. One package every single day, it's well, and very important to put your links in the description. Okay? Okay. Now, like I said about results, it's up to your channel. Maybe you will get results after 1 week, maybe after 2 weeks. I can't say exactly when you get results. It's up to your work, it's up to your channel. All you have to do, just take action and wait. Sometimes, and that's it. That's all you have to do, basically. Okay? Very important. You can upload videos, get views, and get a traffic to your links, to your Maxbounty offers, and get free leads. Okay? This is free traffic and free cash. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, please you can put your comment below this video. Thank you again and have a good day. Thank you very much.